What's up everyone, welcome back to Keto Blogging, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can track your AI traffic. So as you know, popular AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, they link website on their charts, so user can click on that link and visit the website. So you can easily track those traffic coming from AI tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, Gemini. So let's check how you can do it in Google Analytics. So for this, you need to log into your Google Analytics dashboard and go to report section. Now you need to go to acquisition and click on traffic acquisition. And here you will see all the traffic coming from different sources like organic video, search, direct referral. So here we need to copy the referral traffic here and let's hit search. So all the AI traffic comes under referral traffic. So we need to search for the referral traffic. Now it will filter all the referral traffic and remove all these social organic traffic. And here just click on plus, click on traffic source and click on session source. Now here you will see all the traffic coming from AI tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, Claude AI or Gemini.google.com. So you can see the total number of traffic, session time and average durations and all these options. Now you can also see your traffic using a custom report. So for this, we can just go to explore and here we can start a new exploration. Just click on blank and here just click on the time frame. So let me select the time frame to last 30 days. Now click on dimension and here you can search for session. Click on session source and you can select session medium as well. Let's click on confirm. Now click on metrics. So you can see all the metrics like views and you can enable views per session, and you can see different metrics like engagement, engage session, engagement rate like this. And you can see different metrics like you can see advertising metrics, you can see add to cart, checkout and all these options. And here you can enable events, fast opens, fast visit, and you can see exit views. You can enable bounce rate, average session duration, engage session per active user. So all these options. So let's click on confirm. Now you need to first add session source, just drag it under the rows. Now scroll down and in the column section, let's add views. And you can see the session source and the views. So you can add more options or you can click on here and you can select average session duration. Let's click on plus and let's click on bounce rate. Now you can see the total number of views, average session duration and the bounce rate. Now you need to filter it out with the AI traffic only. So for this, let's click on the filter and I will select session source. Now you need to select match regex and you need to copy a code like this. So I will provide the code link in the description. So as you can see, I have added OpenAI, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, Copilot, Claude, Anthropic, DeepSeek, Blackbox, Runway ML, Grok XAI, Suno AI. So you can add your AI domains to track the website coming from these AI domains. So here you need to add the domain separated by this pipe symbol and you have to add the domain, and for dot you have to add a symbol like this. So if you are adding perplexity.ai, then perplexity, then you have to add this symbol and then .ai. So like this. So let me copy this regex code. So you will get the link in the description. Just paste the code and let's click on apply. Now it will filter out all the AI traffics. So you can see ChatGPT, Copilot, Claude AI or Gemini AI. So you can see views, average session durations, bounce rate. So you can add more metrics. Just click on here and let me select views per sessions and you can see views per session. So you can add different metrics. Just click on plus and you can add different type of metrics. So let's click on user and here you can add new user or first time user or active users. Let me click on active users, confirm, and let me click on active users. Now you can see the all active users, and you can set this exploration name. So let me set it as AI traffic. Now if you go to your home page and then again go to the explore tab, or you can click on the explore tab, and here you will see the same AI traffic. Just click on here, and here all of your reports are ready to explore. So you don't have to go to user acquisitions and set different type of parameters, and you can easily filter all the AI traffics using this report. So you don't have to go to traffic acquisition and then set the referral traffic and then set the source medium or source sessions. So you can just go to your explore tab and check your AI traffics in Google Analytics. So this is how you can track traffic coming from AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, or Perplexity, and you will be able to see the data very quickly using the Google Analytics. So if you still have doubts, then you can ask me in the comment section, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe our channel for more AI and blogging tutorials like this, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.